Hey Drake, what's going on today?
Hi, I'm Drake with ATRA. Today we're going to take a look at our 2018 Jeep Cherokee, and we're going to use it to explain the park brake service mode, which relates to the April article that I wrote. So we're going to use this as our vehicle, and we're going to walk through the steps to enter this vehicle into brake service mode so we can move it if we need to. So let's move into the car and we'll walk through the steps. Okay, so let's go through the steps of how to put this vehicle into the brake service mode to release the park brake. So we're going to not touch our brake, push our start button twice to enter run mode. So using our Uconnect screen here, we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to scroll down until we get to brakes. We go to brakes, and here it says brake service. So we're going to select brake service. Would you like to retract the park brakes to allow for the brake system service? So yes. So at this time it's initializing, and it's retracting the brake calipers to release them completely. So now our screen says the brake is retracted. So we're ready if we need to move the vehicle or work on the rear brakes, we can. The brakes are fully released. So now that we're done with that, we hit OK, and now we touch the brakes and then push our brake button, our park brake button. So park brake is reset and we're complete. So we'll exit out and we're done. So this is just an example on our Jeep today. Now other vehicles will have similar ways to access the parking brake, and you can look up the instructions usually either on the internet or through your service information. But this is just to give you a basic understanding of how these electric parking brake systems work on newer vehicles. So if you run into a problem with them, you can address it quickly in a timely fashion so you can get the car in and out and get the job done.
All right, and if anyone has any questions, where can they get those questions to be answered?
Contact ATRA, any one of our technicians, be more than happy to help you at any time.